Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix CS2 crashing on startup in 2025. First of all, make sure your computer meets the system requirements for CS2. Sometimes crashes happen if your hardware is not compatible. Another step is to verify your game files on Steam. Go to your Steam library and then right-click on CS2. After that, click on Properties. Now, from the left-hand side menu, click on Installed Files. After that, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan all your game files, and if any files are missing or corrupted, Steam will automatically re-download or repair them. Once it's done, try launching CS2 again. If the game still crashes, try running it as an administrator. Go to your home screen and right-click the CS2 shortcut. After that, select Run as Administrator. This often fixes permission-related startup issues. Also, disable background apps or overlays like Discord or GoForce Experience or any other recording software. Sometimes these interfere with CS2 and cause it to crash. Finally, if nothing else works, reinstall CS2 completely. A fresh install usually resolves stubborn startup problems, and that's all. That's how you can fix CS2 crashing on startup in 2025.